Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Patricia. I don't know about y'all, but I'm mad excited for today's video. It's gonna be my very first YouTube PR box unboxing. So I've been seeing a bunch of my favorite creators doing these humongous PR unboxings, and you know, I wanted to do that, but I'm not up there yet. This video isn't gonna have 50 or 100 different PR boxes. I'm on a smaller scale, all right, and I'm okay with that. We have some brands that I've worked with previously and two that I have not, which I'm super excited to check out and try out their products. And with that being said, let's just hop into the video. All right, and this is all the PR that we have to unbox. In this corner, we have a bunch of Pop Mart figures. Some of them are blind boxes and others are just there. You know, we can clearly see what it is. Hopefully we get some good blind boxes, by the way. And right here, we have this spring 2024 box from Fabfitfun. And then right here, I think it's a keyboard. It's from Aula. Am I pronouncing that right? But yes, I'm literally so excited to unbox this and be able to share it with you guys. Let's unbox these guys. This is everything that we have from Pop Mart. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blind boxes. And I guess we can start with the ones that's already open and you can clearly see what it is. This is the Peach Riot Street Style series. And I'm actually loving these designs. They look so cool. They look so, oh my god, I love them. They're so cute and cool and stylish, and I want to be their friend so bad. Okay, tag yourself. I am kind of feeling this girl right here. She is just cute and cozy, which I love to be. And let's look at the detailing, the outfit alone, I'm shook. She's so cool. She is so cool, and this bucket hat is giving. And she just gives that nonchalant, girl boss look, but kind of tomboyish. I love it. I'm here for the cute and cozy fits. Honestly, I wear all 3 fits. Okay, I need to know which one's y'all fave. So the next one is this Skull Panda series, and I'm loving it so far. It's giving goth queen, it's giving vampire. Okay, and this is how she looks. She is giving, this is a look. Look at the eyeliner, the blush. Oh my goodness, I'm a stan. Oh my, did y'all see that? Y'all, it's a magnet. It attaches to her eye. That just made this 10 times cooler. What the heck? Yo, nah. Pop Mart really got it with the Skull Panda series. Okay, she's cute right here. Come on, y'all, but boom, don't mess with her, bro. I'm here for it. Oh my goodness. I did not expect I was gonna like this one that much, but it's literally so cool. Oh my goodness. This is who I strive to be. Unbothered, hot, and mysterious. But no, I just be yapping. I'm not mysterious whatsoever. The next one I'm unboxing is this romantic greeting one. This one is cute, but it's kind of giving me a little bit eerie vibes. I don't know, but it matches my setup, so maybe I could possibly put it somewhere. These pinks, blacks, and whites are doing it for me. They're like 2 peas in a pod. They're besties. Okay, besties. I feel like we all been waiting for these. The blind boxes. Let's get into the blind boxes. The Sad Club. I don't even know what this is, but the packaging is really cute. So let's check it out. I don't know which one I want to pull. Maybe Teardrops Into the Pillow, just because that reminds me of when I watch a K-drama and I'm crying my eyes out. And it's just one of those cries that feels so good. So yes, manifesting. Oh, this is a box shape. What is this? Oh, is this the Withering? This is the Withering Flower, which is pretty cute. This probably would have been my second choice because she's black, and y'all already know, I'm here for the black representation. Come on now. This is cute though. Let me unbox this. Aw, it's a baby. It's a cute little baby. I got a little diaper on, and it came with this flower pot. Oh, it has a face on it. That's so cute. I actually like this so much. Oh, It's so cute. Even though it's crying, I'm sad that it's crying. You shouldn't be withering away, okay, bestie? You need to be flourishing. Flourish, all right? Okay, next we have the Monsters Mischief Diary. And he's probably my least favorite figure, not gonna lie, but it's okay. I'm not gonna be a hater right now. As for the one I want to pull, Cozy Sunday is doing something for me, you know, because I'm here for a little Cozy Sunday. Oh my god. I think I know what this is. This is the boxing one. This one is called Angry Tuesday, and that's probably like my least favorite one. Okay, I finally set it up. They're fighting. I don't know, this is probably my least favorite out the bunch, but like I said, I don't want to be a hater. I'm very appreciative. Okay, so this is the Kubo space, and for the one I want, Dreamcatcher seems cool. Like, Dreamcatcher is giving right now. It's so adorable. Okay, let's get into it. Packaging is nice. Like, the overall design and character look and feel are just so cool. Okay, I don't think this is Dreamcatcher. It's okay. What is this, a pirate? So I pulled Captain K. He's giving pirate. Like, he's a Straw Hat. Are you from One Piece? Like, he can definitely be a One Piece character. Okay, he's not bad. And this is the little stuff that it came with. A hat? Stop. This is so cute. Wait, does it stay? Is it magnetic? How do I use this stuff? Okay, this goes in his hand. And again with the magnets, like, I was kind of afraid how it was gonna stay, but it looks so cool. Okay, Captain K. And he's melanated, come on. And then look at the detailing. Okay, he could definitely be the next Straw Hat. Okay, and the very last blind box that we have to unbox, sadly, is this twin series. Ziga? Am I pronouncing that right? This is the first time seeing this. Oh, this isn't the first time seeing this series. Oh, so this series is the same as this one that we pulled. Okay. These character designs look a bit cooler than the one that I just showed. Okay, I kind of like this cherry. Cherry contest is giving, ooh, obsession. Y'all, wait, why do I kind of like this now? Like, I feel like such a hater. I wasn't going crazy about these, but when I see this series, it's giving. Y'all, I'm excited. Okay, I'm glad I left this one for last. Yes, let's get into it. Honestly, okay, like I said, I want obsession. Daily routine is cute. Cherry, I want cherry though. Why am I nervous? Please be a good one. Y'all, no, I did not. Did I just... Y'all, I manifested it. Oh my god, wait. This is so cute. Okay, so I didn't realize it's like baseball theme. I thought they were like, I mean, they are cherries. It's shaped in a cherry format. But this is so cool. Y'all, I manifested that. What? Oh my god. Are the blind box gods on my side? Like, I did not have a bad pull, not gonna lie. They're so cute. Oh my god. Y'all want to know why I picked the cherry? Because I just got a cherry tattoo. Okay, so that's the tattoo that I just got. It's a cherry, but the stem is like croquette. It has like these cute little bows, and I love it so much, and it reminds me of this. Y'all, I'm so happy I saved this for last. Oh my god. And look at the side eye. Like, bombastic side eye for real. Okay, I stand. And these are all the cards that I pulled, and I'm not mad at it. Actually, I am. I don't like this one, but these, I love them. This one isn't so bad. I was talking so bad about it in the beginning of this video, but it's growing on me. I may put this on my setup just because like it matches so well. And then we have my good sis over here. You know, she is the group leader. We have the Zorro of the group. Okay, red hair, I know. Okay, but he's the Zorro, and I'm here for it. Oh my god, can I carry these on one hand? We have Cry Little Baby, Withering Away, Gardening, adorable, absolutely adorable. We must protect you at all costs. And then we have these guys. I'm not gonna speak too much on them. I don't wanna be mean, but least favorite. I'm just gonna leave it there. Everything was such a good pull besides that. But yes, oh my God, okay, yay. And then we got these gals. The top 3 right now are these girls. These are equal, so this is, yep, top 3. And then this one. So those are my top 3. And next we have this keyboard from Aula. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's A-U-L-A. And I'm literally so excited for this because I've been needing another keyboard. Kinda sick and tired of the one-piece one. Maybe because it's just like so much pink. Let's get into this keyboard, you guys. This is the Aula A75 keyboard, and I got it in this blue, white, and black colorway. And this is the switches that I got. I absolutely love this, you guys. Like I said, I was tired of my pink keyboard. It just felt like too much pink in my setup just a little bit. So I feel like this keyboard neutralizes everything out a little bit. Doesn't it sound so creamy? I can't wait to start typing, gaming, editing, and doing literally everything else with this keyboard. And with that being said, let's plug this guy up into my PC just to see how it looks. I love it. And then what does this do? Okay, so I figured out how to change the lights. So you just click FN and then this. Okay, well, I want to do a typing test. In the box I'm super excited about opening is this PR box that I got from fabfitfun. Honestly, just from the packaging, it literally looks so cute. For starters, we have this bag. And then we have this super cute hydro flask. This is like the perfect color pink. And honestly, I've been needing one of these and it's literally my favorite color. Okay, we got a few more stuff. What is this? This is shampoo. So it's a set. So they gave shampoo and conditioner, which is nice. This is lip butter, a shea and avocado mixture. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God. And the next product that we have, this is strawberry. What is this? Is this perfume? Ooh, okay, so this is perfume. And let's smell it. I could definitely smell a hint of strawberry, but it has a floral smell, kind of powdery. And if you like powdery perfumes, this will definitely be up your alley. I'm gonna put it on. What would I rate it? A 7? I don't know. I'm not too sure if I'll wear it, but we'll see. And I think the last item in here is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And they also gave this brush as well. I'm actually super happy to have this tool in my kit now. And then this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. I think it's in the color dark brown. I think that's it in the box. There was actually a lot in there, and now I can see why it's called the Spring 2024, because literally all the items were giving very much spring. These are all the items that I just unboxed from that Spring 2024 FabFitFun box. The bag is probably my least favorite. No hate, I don't know, it's built kind of weird. I really like this. I know for sure I'm gonna use this, most definitely. Just put on this lip butter and I love it so much. It just smells so nice and refreshing on my lips. Like, I'm just sniffing my upper lip because it smells so good, y'all. I'm definitely gonna be using these. This scent giving old lady. I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me, but for right now, it's like an eh. And these hair care products, I'm gonna try it out and I'll let you guys know. Y'all, look what just came in. Let's just get into this unboxing, okay? So Yunzii kindly gifted me one of their keyboards. So it comes with this super cute mouse pad that's shaped like a cat. Oh my god, this is so heavy. I am shook. Oh my god, when I say this thing is heavy, y'all, like my hand is hurting just holding it. I think I got these in the milky white switches. And then it comes with some accessories. And for the switches, I got the white milky switches. It's a bit more clacky than I expected. I thought it was gonna be more on the milkier side, creamy, but it's not bad. Like, I feel like I won't get annoyed by the noise. But everything is so cute. Like, look at the keycaps. And this is how the keyboard looks when it's plugged in. It's super cute. And I think it fits my setup pretty well. And now let's do a typing test. Alright, you guys, so that's basically it for today's haul and all the PR that I received in like the last week or so. By the way, what was y'all's favorite item that we unboxed today? Drop it down in the comments below. And if you made it this far into the video, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you guys in next week's video. Bye!